We're gonna squint through the sun here, but we're in Cortez, New Mexico. We're currently heading over to Four Corners and Monument Valley, along with a Mexican Hat. We're gonna try and go to Wally World today, aka Walmart, pick up some more memory cards because we're using up a lot of memory on this trip to capture a lot of great moments. Until then, we'll see you guys then.
All right.
Starting off in Cortez, Colorado, we'll work our way over to Four Corners, then on to Monument Valley, stopping at Forrest Gump Road Point, checking out Mexican Hat, and finishing up in Bluff, Utah. And it's windy as all right now. $8 an adult to get in here, and but it's worth it. You got a beautiful view, and we haven't walked over the monument just yet. But as I said, it's.
They wanted us to park over here, which is.
No, they want us not to park where we're parked at.
Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah, but look at this.
It's additional
Get
parking.
out of the way. Look at how pretty it is. I think it's a great parking spot.
Yeah.
Finally here at Monument Valley. Come on, get excited. Woo. This is my view. Look cute. Okay, woo. This is his view. So unfair. So we rode how many miles?
Some like
3,000. 4,000 miles from Pennsylvania to Monument Valley to ride that road.
Scenic drive. Only to find out that as of recently, motorcycles are prohibited from traversing on the scenic drive.
Imagine that. Look, the look of disappointment. Oh.
But I'm trying not to show. Tell you something. It must have been something I forgot. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go. If you
running, Jenny.
We're here where Forrest Gump did his famous line,
I'm tired and I want to go home.
Here we are. Here's the bikes. We're gonna go now.
Lost time. Gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy. Guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place when it should have been with you. All this time, it was never enough.
We made it, the furthest point to this whole adventure. Four Corners, Monument Valley Giants, the endless Forrest Gump Straight, Mexican Hat standing proud. We chased the horizon hard and found magic in every red rock twist.
So we have, so ever since we came into Colorado, I've had a little bit of an oil leak on the head gasket. Right by the exhaust port. And we've been keeping an eye on it. It doesn't seem like it's a super bad leak, so we just have to keep looking at the oil levels to make sure that we're not running low. Thank God it's under warranty and they can probably fix it by putting a new seal on there. I want to be able to open my bags whenever I feel like it, just in case I need to shove more stuff I bought. Another t-shirt.
God only knows what.
Where'd you get that shirt at?
Oh, Monument Valley.
What did you put in there?
7 days worth of clothing.
7 days worth of clothing and a
Couple of
month
t-shirts.
full of souvenirs.
Have to be careful with that head.
Big man trying to fit stuff in little things, huh? Shove it in there.
Mom's like, why is my doll head deformed? Like, well, you know, had to get it someplace real tight.
Can you bring this plus this on your check-in bag?
I think I need a little lush to calm me down a little bit.
Oh yeah! O2! Where'd you get that sweatshirt at?
Oh, that little old village we ended up in, China, New Mexico.
China, New Mexico. China, New Mexico.
China.
Oh, China.
Not Jan.
Hello. Quick run through to our plans today. What's the plan today, baby?
I'm gonna set the map for our ultimate destination, which is Arkansas, and then use as a reference line, but we're gonna try and stick to the back roads as usual. US highways, county roads, and state highways. We're not gonna take any interstates. I mean, to be honest, you probably save maybe like 2 hours, but overall it's gonna be like the same amount of distance.
The goal is less traffic. Let's go. Saddle up, baby.
Every now and then she needs a push to get herself set up.
This is the shortest bike we could find, okay?
Starting our day out in Bluff, Utah, we're going to make our way on US 64 all the way over to Clayton, New Mexico. From there, we'll jump on US 87 and finish in Dalhart, Texas. Now we're rolling out of Bluff, Utah on US 64 as we make our way towards Dalhart, Texas. We notice that we start to see hints of green. The hills are softening. And the air, it feels like home calling. These winding roads, still pure poetry. Curves that lift our spirit, reminding us why we ride, to feel alive, to change with every mile. We're not ending the journey, we're carrying it home to Pennsylvania, with even more epic rides waiting. The Talimena Skyway's ridgeline twists through the Washitas, those legendary pigtail bridges and hairpins on the pig trail in Arkansas. More thrills, more views, more stories. Thanks for riding along, crew. Episode 6, The Turnaround. Hearts full, throttle open. Let's head east and keep the adventure rolling. Thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. If you liked our content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell for future notifications on videos.